The human body is a miracle of engineering, a synchronized orchestra of organs working tirelessly to keep you alive every second. We begin at the very top with the command center, the human brain, a soft structure protected by a hard skull. This incredible organ contains approximately 86 billion neurons, firing electrical signals constantly to process every thought and sensation you ever experience. Despite weighing only about 3 pounds, the brain demands 20% of the body's total energy to maintain its complex operations. Moving down to the chest, we find the engine of life, the heart, a muscular pump that never takes a break. It beats roughly 100,000 times every single day, rhythmically pushing life-giving blood to every corner of your entire system. The vascular network is so vast that your heart pumps blood through 60,000 miles of vessels, enough to circle Earth. Flanking the heart are the lungs, spongy organs that expand and contract to draw in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide waste. Millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli facilitate this vital gas exchange, ensuring your blood remains oxygenated for cellular survival. Now we descend into the abdomen to explore the digestive system, a chemical processing plant that converts food into usable energy. The journey enters the stomach, a muscular sac that churns food with powerful acids and enzymes to break down complex structures. This harsh, acidic environment is necessary to sterilize food and prepare proteins for absorption further down the winding digestive tract. Next lies the small intestine, a 20-foot-long tube where the real magic of nutrient absorption takes place through the walls. Tiny finger-like projections, called villi, maximize the surface area, allowing vitamins and minerals to pass directly into your bloodstream efficiently. Whatever remains moves to the large intestine, where water is reclaimed and waste is compacted, ready to be expelled from the body. Supporting this process is the liver, a heavy reddish-brown organ located on the right side, performing over 500 vital functions. It filters toxins from the blood and produces bile, a critical fluid needed to digest fats within the small intestine. The liver possesses a superpower of regeneration, capable of growing back to full size even if 75% is removed surgically. Tucked beneath the liver is the small pear-shaped gallbladder, which stores and concentrates bile, releasing it precisely when you eat fats. Behind the stomach sits the pancreas, producing essential digestive enzymes and regulating blood sugar levels through the release of insulin hormones. Toward the back lie the kidneys, two bean-shaped organs that act as sophisticated filters, constantly cleaning your blood of metabolic waste. They balance body fluids and electrolytes, producing urine as a byproduct to ensure your internal environment remains stable and healthy. This urine travels down to the bladder, a hollow muscular balloon that stores liquid waste until it is convenient to release. On the left side sits the spleen, a guardian of the blood that recycles old red blood cells and fights infection. In the neck, the butterfly-shaped thyroid gland controls how quickly the body uses energy, making proteins, and controlling sensitivity to hormones. Wrapping this entire biological machine is the skin, the body's largest organ, weighing roughly 8 pounds and covering 20 square feet. It serves as the first line of defense against pathogens, regulates body temperature through sweat, and protects internal structures from damage. Packed with nerve endings, the skin also allows us to feel the world through touch, pain, heat, and cold sensations. Beneath the skin, the skeletal system provides a rigid framework, while muscles pull on bones to create movement and physical action. None of these organs work in isolation. They communicate constantly through chemical signals and nerve impulses to maintain a perfect balance. When you run, your muscles demand oxygen, your heart pumps faster, and your lungs expand deeper in a beautiful, coordinated effort. When you eat, your brain signals your stomach, your pancreas preps enzymes, and your liver readies itself to process incoming nutrients. The human body is resilient, capable of healing wounds, fighting off invisible invaders, and adapting to extreme environments and physical challenges. Understanding anatomy reveals that you are not just a person, but a walking ecosystem of biological marvels working in unity. Cherish this vessel, nourish it with care, and respect the intricate systems that allow you to experience the gift of life. Thank you for exploring human anatomy with Video Creator. Subscribe for more scientific journeys and stay curious about the world within.